So here students, today we are dividing our large numbers, dividing by 2 digits or 3 digits. We will follow the same steps. So with very simple steps, we move ahead, see the method. Students, 67 is our divisor in this question and 3,74,949 is our dividend. So just start. 3 is smaller than 67, so over 3 we will write 0. As 37 is also smaller than 67, so above this 7 also we will write 0, because 37 is not going, we cannot divide 37 by 67. Now 374, it is greater than 67, so we have to find out the best multiple of 67, which can be equal to 374 or smaller than 374 but nearer to this number. So there are two methods we can opt. Either we write the table of 67, full table of 67, or we can go for guess method. Guess method means 67 is nearer to which number, 60 or 70? It is nearer to 70. So by guessing the table of 7, we can find out the best possible number to be written here. See, count the table of 7 till 37. 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. 6s are 42 is greater than 37. So we can opt for 7 5s are 35, means we will multiply our divisor by 5. Okay. Once again, see, we have just guessed by the table of 7 till 37. 7 5s are 35, which is smaller than 37. So we can guess the number 5. 5 7s are now multiply. 5 7s are 35. 3 carry over. 5 6s are 30 plus 3, 33. Again, you can just check by taking the number 6 whether you are right or wrong. 6 7s are 42. 4 6 6s are 36 plus 4 40. You cannot go for this number. This is greater than this. So we will take 335 below 374 and just subtract these two numbers and write 5 in the quotient above 4. Now find the difference of these two numbers. 4 minus 5, it is not possible. So make it 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Here 6 minus 3 is 3. Now take down number. Before taking down, check whether it is smaller than divisor. 39 is smaller than 67. Perfectly right. That means we can move further. Now take down 9. Again, we have to find the best multiple of 67, which can be smaller than 399 or equal to 399. So again, guess by taking 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. Both of these have been done by us. So we can opt for 335. It is smaller than this number. We can subtract easily. And for quotient, again we will write 5 above 9. Now 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. So 64, just check, it is smaller than 67. It is very important step, students. 64 is smaller than 67. That means we can move further. Take down next number, 4. Now we have to find out best multiple of 67 to be written under 644. Again, guess method. Count the table of 7 till 64. That means 7 9s are 63. Just see by 9s are, check it. 9 7s are 63. 6 carry over. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 6, 60. Yes, we can take this number 603. And we have to write 9 as quotient above 4. Now subtract these two numbers. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 4 minus 0 is 4. Now again check 41 is smaller than 67. Correct? Now we can move further. Take down 9 and just again do the guess method. Count the table of 7 till 41. 7 5s are 35 and 6s are 42. Both of these numbers we have done here. So again we will go for 6r. This number is a better choice for us to be written here. 409. Okay. That means 6 will be written as quotient above 9 here. Okay. Because 6th multiple is 402, which is nearer to 419. Now subtract these two. 9 minus 2 is 7 and 1 minus 0 is 1. So there is no other number left to be taken down. That means this is the remainder and our quotient is 5596 and remainder is 17. So this is our quotient 5596 and this is our remainder. By this method, students, we can do our practice of division sums. Okay. So here we are dividing by 137. Our divisor is 137. So start our division. Just see 1 is smaller than 137. So over 1 we will write 0. 13 is also smaller than 137. So 13 over 13 also 0. Then 137, it goes by 1. Because 137 ones are 137. So we write 1 above 7. And 137 below this number and then do subtraction. It is 0. Now take down this 0. As this 0 is divided by 137, but we cannot divide, it is divided by 0 only. So above 0 we write quotient as 0. It is very important, students. Then again we take down this number 1. Again this number 1 is divisible by 0 only, by 137. So above this 1 also we write the answer quotient as 0. Again we take down number 3. That means we are having 13 as remainder. Now 13 is again not divisible by 137. So above 3 also we will write 0. And then we take down again next number 7. We see 137 is divisible by 137 at one place. So write 1 as quotient and 137 below this. Then subtract these two numbers. We find 0 as remainder. And this is our quotient. Fine.